Today I am going to discuss about the remaining portion of the lesson Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. फरायसुला फरायसुलिमोन दा आं नेल्सन मान्डेला लं वाक टू फ्रीडम फराय आयदानि आदा बाहागोखौ फरायहोनोसै. The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. हारियारि फाराग खान्थिया आंनि हादर आरो आंनि मानसिफोरनो मोनसे थौसिन आरो जुगामि जखम सोमजिहोदोंमोन. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. फोलेरफोरा बै गोमजोर जखमनि खहाखौ सुफुंफिनाब्ला जों बयबो गोबां बोसोर हगारहरनांगोन. But the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Tambos, the Walter Sisulu's, the Sip Luthiers, the Yusuf Dadus, the Brum Fishers, the Robert Sobukos of our time, men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like may never be known again. नाथाय गोबां बोसोर अनागारि खालामनाय आरो साजा होनाया गुबुन मोनसेबो थांखि गैयै उनफिथाय आरो बेनो आंनि समाव अलिभार टाम्बस, वाल्टार सिसुलास, सिप लाथुलियास, युसुफ दादुस, ब्राम फिशार्स, रबार्ट सबुकिस बायदि सरासनस्रा नङै साहसि गियानि आरो गुवार गोसोनि सुबुंफोरा ओंखारबोदोंमोन जाय बिथांमोननि हास्थायनाया फिन माब्लाबाबो मिथिजानाय नङा. Perhaps it requires such depths of oppression to create such heights of character. जानो हागौ बिदि गोजौ थाखोनि आखु सोमजिहोनो बिदि गोथौ दबथायनायनि गोनांथि जायो. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamonds. आंनि हादरा बेनि हा सिङाव थानाय खनिज बेसाद आरो मणि मुक्ता सना रुफानि गहेनानि थाखाय धोनि, नाथाय आं जेब्लाबो मिथियो दि बेनि साबसिन आरो थारसिन सुबुङा गोगो हिरानिख्रुइबो देरसिन सम्पथि. It is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. साहसनि ओंथिखौ आं जुजिनायाव बाहागो लानाय आंनि आंगो लोगोफोरनिफ्राय सोलोंदोंमोन. Time and again I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. गले गले आं नुदों हौवाफोर आरो आइजोफोरा खैफोदखौ बानस'ना लायो आरो मोनसे थांखिनि थाखाय गावनि जिउखौ बावसोमो. I have seen men stand up to attacks and torture without breaking, showing a strength and resilience that defies the imagination. आं मानसिफोरखौ जुजिनो गसंथिनाय, थाद'आलासे साजा होनाय, गोहो दिन्थिनाय आरो सानबोलावरिखौ नेवसिनानै सिगांनि थासारियाव थांफिननायखौ नुदों. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. आं सोलोंदोंमोन दि गिनाय नुजाथिया साहस नङा, बेखौ देरहानो हानायासो साहस. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. साहसी मानसि बि नङा जाय गिनायखौ मोनदां हाया, नाथाय बिसो जाय गिनायखौ देरहायो. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. रावबो बिनि बिगुरनि गाबखौ लानानै एबा बिनि नखर, समाज, सोलोंथाइ, मर्यादा, सोमोन्दै एबा बिनि धोरोमखौ लानानै गुबुनखौ मुगैनो उजिया. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. मानसिया मुगिनायखौ सोलोंथारनांगौ आरो जुदि बिसोर मुगिनायखौ सोलोंनो हायो, बिसोरनो मोजां मोननायखौ फोरोंनो हागोन, मानोना मुगिनायनिख्रुइ मोजां मोननाया मानसिनि गोरबोआव जोबोद सरासनस्रायै फैयो. Even in the grimmest times in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, I would see a glimmer of humanity in one of the guards, perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reassure me and keep me going. एमनखि फाथोखसालिनि थिउरिया समफोराव आं आरो आंनि आंगो लोगोफोरा दुखु सैनो हानाय जोबथि सिमासिम नारख्लाय हरजानाय समावबो आं सासे पहरादारनि मोखाङाव सुबुंथिनि मोस्लेर सुरां नुनो मोनदोंमोन, जानो हागौ दान्दिसेनि समनि थाखाय, नाथाय आंखौ सिगां फारसे हान्थिलांनायाव बेनो थोजासे फोथायनाय होदोंमोन. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. मानसिनि हामजाथिया अरनि सालाय, जायखौ दोनखोमानो हायो नाथाय खोमोरनो हाया. In life, every man has twin obligations. Obligations to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children, and he has an obligation to his people, his community, his country. जिउआव साफ्रोम मानसिहानो मोननै बिबान दङ. बिनि नखर, बिनि बिमा-बिफा, बिनि बिसि आरो गथ'-गथायनिसिम थानाय बिबान, आरो बिहा गुबुन मोनसेबो बिबान दं, बेनो जाबाय बिनि मानसिफोरनि थाखाय, बिनि सुबुं फोलेरनि थाखाय, बिनि हादरनि थाखाय. In a civil and humane society, each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclinations and abilities. असामरिक आरो सुबुङारि समाजाव साफ्रोम मानसियानो बिनि गाव गोसो जानानै आरो हारोंथायनि जोहै बेफोर बिबानफोरखौ सुफुंनो हायो. But in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both of those obligations. नाथाय खोला आफ्रिकानि बादि हादराव बै मोननै बिबानखौ सुफुंनाया आंनि बादि फोलेर आरो गाबनि सुबुंनि थाखाय जाथावना नङा. In South Africa, a man of color who attempted to live as a human being was punished and isolated. खोला आफ्रिकायाव गोसोमसा सासेया मानसि महरै थांना थानो नाजाब्ला बिखौ साजा होनाय जायोमोन आरो आलादा दोननाय जायोमोन. In South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his people was inevitably ripped from his family and his home and was forced to live a life apart, a twilight existence of secrecy and rebellion. खुला आफ्रिकायाव सासे मानसि जाय बिनि मानसिफोरनि थाखाय थानाय मावनांगौ खामानिखौ मावफुंनो नाजायो बिखौ नागारथावनो हायै जाहोनाव बिनि नखर आरो बिनि न'निफ्राय आलादा खालामनाय जायो आरो बोलो बाहायनानै आलादायै दोनो गुमुरथि आरो बिग्रायनाय थामोनथा गैयै खालामना दोनो I did not in the beginning choose to place my people above my family, but in attempting to serve my people, I found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligations as a son, a brother, a father, and a husband. आंनि मानसिफोरखौ आंनि नखरनिफ्राय गोजौ जायगायाव फज'नायखौ आं गिबियाव सायख'आखैमोन नाथाय आं आंनि मानसिफोरखौ सिबिनो नाजानायाव आं मोनदां हादोंमोन दि सासे फिसाज्ला बिदा बिफा आरो फिसाय महरै आंनि बिबानखौ मावफुंनो नाजानायाव आंखौ हेंथा होनाय जादों गाहायाव सोदोबनि ओंथि आरो माखासे सोंलुनि फिननायफोरखौ होनाय जाबाय Thank you.